Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw the new Mosasaurus from the Jurassic World Rebirth movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Jurassic World Rebirth Mosasaurus, let's begin with the eye. So I want to start right about here, and we're just going to make a little line that's just going to kind of go down and then up like this for the eyebrow. Then we're just going to circle around here to make the actual eye. And then we're going to put a little circle in here and kind of color in most of it for the pupil. I'm going to make a line or two underneath here by the eye. Then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of go up, leave some breaks, and then come to here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go over here for the top of the head. I'm going to leave a little space. I'm going to make this line come over and then down. Then we put another bump right here for the other eye. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. And then we're going to come up here and then down for the mouth. Then I'm going to curve this down to here, and we'll kind of bring it around just to there. We're going to add a line in here, and then we'll add some little broken lines right back there. Next, let's fill up his mouth with teeth. So we're going to make some nice, sharp, pointed teeth in here. So we're going to make these come all the way across the front. And then we can also do that same thing on the bottom. Let's put a row of teeth right across here. Now for the tongue, let's bring this line up and down. And let's make another one. We're going to go up, down, kind of come up and bring it back here. Next, let's just bring a line up here. And then we can do one more. Now, right along here, let's kind of curve a little line. Then we're going to make a line that's going to kind of come down, and then we're going to go over, and then curve it around here for the jaw. Let's color in a little dot and make like a line that comes down for the nose. And then we can make a couple more little broken lines there. Next, let's bring this line over and then kind of down here to shape out the head. Now for the neck, let's make a couple little like curve lines. And then we're going to bring this line over to here. I'm going to make a line that's going to come over. And we'll make it a little bit wiggly for the flipper. Then we're just going to kind of curve this line up. And then we're going to make another line that's going to come out here a little bit smaller and kind of curve it up and down for the other flipper. Next, we want to bring this line up and then kind of over to here. Then we're going to make this line come down here, and then we're going to bring this to a point and then up. Then we're going to make this come up and down. Then we're just going to kind of curve this right along here, make a broken line to here. And then we can make a nice straight line across just to give it a little bit of detail. Now we got our basic shape of the Mosasaurus, so we just kind of want to come in here and add some different details. So I like to put a couple lines right around here on the face. And then a couple little broken lines right around the top and right around the bottom. We're going to make some little broken lines kind of coming up here and some down there. I'm also going to put a few little curved lines kind of right around the flippers, just to kind of add a little bit of texture, show some wrinkles there. I'm going to make some broken lines coming up and down here. And then a couple more, they're just going to kind of come down the body around here. Just little broken lines around the flippers, and some extra little lines on the flippers as well. Even going to put some little lines coming up and down here, and a few little details on the tail. And then right across the back here, I'm just going to make some small little bumps just to kind of show that there's like a scaly little texture coming back here. I can even do some small little bumps right along the side as well. And then I can just kind of make a few more coming right along here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Mosasaurus from the new Jurassic World Rebirth. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.